Alright guys, today we're going to learn the safety vault. So, when you come over here, you're going to use the opposite hand, opposite foot. So that means if you're placing your right hand down on the right side, your left foot is going to come up and you're going to make this hole. Same way if you're putting your left hand down, it's going to go to the left side, and your right foot's going to come up and you're still going to make that same hole. Then once you're in this position, you're going to take your other leg and bring it through that hole to the other side, just like that. And as you get better, you'll be able to speed it up and get off with it running, like that. So let's try it. Who would like to go first?
I volunteer.
Alright. Alright, that was good. Alright, so some things you need to look out for is take your time at first. You don't need to start with running. But take your time, make sure you have your placement right so your leg doesn't get caught up and you're not putting your knee down or making a mistake like that. That was good. Make sure you try to, at first, drive straight forward and try not to have like some spinning and stuff to get the right form. Alright, let's try it again. Nice. Alright. So, that's it for today, guys.